Welcome to Willys Thatch Roof and Cool Out Spots, where quality and taste is our priority. Listen, we're after win the competition here. We are the best cook shop in Jamaica.
You guys voted,
Yes.
and we're here again on the street. Welcome to another episode of the Best Chickens Cook Shop Challenge.
Yes.
I'm Mick from Yard Life's Good, and here with me is
Kimon Grant from the Best Fresh Chicken.
we're there at Mullines Road at Willys Cook Shop, and we're gonna eat some food today. Bada Willie, make it 2 medium fried chicken, please.
And don't forget the curry gravy. Yo, Michael, this look good.
Oh yeah,
This looks so good.
oh yeah, and we did get the curry gravy.
No man. Wait, the chef can cook?
Oh,
Willys have been in business for roughly 25 years now.
This is seasoned to the bone. This is what you call quality.
Persons are always coming to Willys because we have the best fried chicken in town. There is nothing compared to our fried chicken.
When you bite into Willys fried chicken, it's very nice, mouth-watering taste. You enjoy it down to the bones.
oh, you can taste all of that spice, all of that pepper, seasoning in that oil before all of them chicken are dropping it. This is the vibe.
So Jamaica, do us a favor. Put us to number 1. Vote for Willys. You know we got this.